Today I want to show you how to create dependable drop-down list. So the values on the second list depend on the value we choose on the first list. So we can change the second list based on the value on the first list. How can we do it in Excel? One of the easiest ways is by using indirect function that can change name to a range. But before we use indirect function, we have to name our ranges. If we are doing this manually, we have to select our list without a header, and then we can click on name box and write our name. The value text we will have on our first list. If we have more than one list, we can select each list individually with headers, and then on formula tab we can create names from selection, and we want to name them based on the top row. Okay, so we have this ranges named properly based on our headers and based on values on the drop-down list, because our first drop-down list is just a reference to headers of our list. And thanks to that, we can just write indirect function here and refer this cell with the first list, and we can see when I'm changing the value on the first list, the values that are returned by indirect functions properly changed. Now we have to just copy this formula, Ctrl C, and select the cell that is corresponding on the same height in the same row as our first list, and then once again data tab and data validation. We want list, and just as a source Ctrl V our formula with an equal sign, indirect function, and reference to the cell we are taking values from, and just press OK, and it's working. So I have now electronics, then let's say vegetables. We can see vegetables, and we can see also fruits. Only small problem with this solution is that the value on the second list isn't changing when we change the first list. So pears aren't vegetables. To fix this, we should use some solution in the Power or similar solution.